Hey, let me quickly show you and explain how we can remove date and the temperature from your home screen on Pixel 9a. So take a look. When you are gonna click and hold it and go to the customize, you can select off, just turn off at a glance, but it will still appears right here without temperature, so you will still get the specific date. So if you want to get rid of it, you will have to use third-party apps from Google Play Store. You have to input launcher phrase in your Pixel and get one of the launchers. So I can recommend you the Smart Launcher 6, Niagara Launcher. There's also, how it was called, wait a minute, All Launcher, this one, or the Pix Launcher. So you just have to download any of the launcher, pick this one that fits your preferences the best. And the Smart Launcher, this is not available right here as default, so you don't even have to turn it off, but you can for sure remove this weather. But if you want to use the same one that looks exactly like the default launcher on the Pixel, you have to get the Pix Launcher. And now if you want to get rid of it, just select Customize and just unselect this switcher. Now as you can see, when you turn it on back, it will be not available here anymore. And for sure you can set this application as default, so you have to go to the apps, select default apps, and for home application you have to switch and treat this one as a launcher. So switch from Pixel Launcher into the Pix Launcher, or for example into the Niagara Launcher, depends of the launcher that you have downloaded from your Google Play Store. And yeah, that's pretty much it.